Hi everyone, this is Deborah and this is a middle of the day impromptu video from me. So this morning I had a message from a friend of mine, Beth. I met her through the crafting world and she's just the most gorgeous lady. Anyway, she got in touch just to see if I had received a couple of things she sent me, what she describes as a little something. Now, I hightailed it down to the post office to pick up the little something, and it turns out that it's actually a big envelope and a box. So we have to redefine what you consider little, Beth, firstly. And secondly, I couldn't wait to share it with you. I haven't even opened them yet, so this is all very exciting. I never get happy mail. Not that I want happy mail, but I never really sort of, send swaps and things, so I don't deserve happy mail, and I'm not sure why I'm getting it now. But anyway, it's exciting to open up something and you don't know what it is. So let's just have a look what's in this first box. Oh my goodness gracious, look at this. Hang on, we'll just put the big one away. Oh, that's heavy too. Look at what she has sent me. And there's even a little, hope you enjoy your happy mail. Look at that. And it's a little tag on the outside of the packet. But look at what she sent me. Gosh, Beth, this is, oh my goodness. It's too much. It's too much, girl. It really is. Oh, look, bicycles. I love bicycles because my husband's a cyclist, as you probably know. And what else have we got? Oh my goodness, we've got all these little things. Look at this beautiful tag. Isn't that gorgeous? And another postcard, a bigger one with beautiful flowers and images on it. And then a little pocket. That is just gorgeous. Oh, that's pretty. And this has got a bit of ribbon on the top of it. It's on the back. Oh, nice stamps too. Beautiful. Got some little blank index tab card here. Just had to stop the film. My husband's wondering what I'm squealing about down here. No wonder. Oh, Beth, that's beautiful. Look at the little butterflies and the photos. It's all very me. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Little tags, more of that ribbon, and another gorgeous image, and a little pocket. Oh, I like the binoculars. They're so cute, aren't they? A little happy mail. And another postcard. It's beautiful. Oh, look at the bicycle. That's gorgeous. It's a tandem. It's beautiful. What is this? Heavens to Betsy. It's all, it's an envelope. It's an altered envelope. Oh, and of course it's got things in it. Oh, that's divine. Oh, look at Shirley Temple. You know, I remember when she was a little girl, watching her on the movies, and it's a vintage postcard. Isn't that beautiful? From Surrey in the UK. That is gorgeous. And then this is a little booklet with a little tag and a little skinny page. How adorable. Oh, and some more. Oh, that is gorgeous. Another little tag in here and another little tag in here. You've got the thumb notches. That's good. It's beautiful. Oh, I don't know what to say. I didn't put those things back in that envelope. I better do that so I know where they go. Let me pop these back in here. And then what is this? Oh, another envelope. Gorgeous, beautiful papers. And it's also got things in it. Oh, that is very cool. Very steampunk. Isn't that lovely? It's an old postcard. And that's a postcard as well. That's lovely. And this is pretty. Oh, wow. I don't know where you find these things. Oh, these are actually stickers. Then I thought they were just images, but they're actually stickers. Oh, vintagey stickers. Wow. Goodness me, I'll have to get back onto my travel journal with all of this. Oh, the stamps are very cool. Look at the triangle one's very cool. My goodness, Beth. Aren't I a lucky person? I haven't even opened the second box yet, so we're still going. Oh, look at that. It's almost too pretty to take apart. It's wrapped in dictionary page, whatever it is. Do you think I can just slide it out so I can cut that away later and use it? I can. Ah, little tabs. How adorable. Little tiny tabs. They're gorgeous. And there's a lot of them too. I'll be able to make something with those. And I'm going to reuse this. I think I might work out a way that I can use that without cutting through that lovely washi. And then another bag, little bag that I'll be able to use. Absolutely chockers full of goodies. Heavens. Oh, look at the little cards. Beautiful, beautiful cards with all botanicals on them. Oh my goodness, I'm a bit overwhelmed. There's a bit much in here. Oh, that is gorgeous. And look at the envelope. The little dragonfly envelope. And then what else have we got? And then another, oh, this is all little envelopes. Aren't they gorgeous? Look at that. That is so pretty. Oh, that one's got the ball jars on it, the mason jars. I've actually got some of those. Sort of have them around the house with things in them. Even got some with craft supplies in them. Little birds, little bunnies and bugs. Oh, all my favourite things. What's that? A little possum, is it? Yeah, I think that's a possum. I think, yeah. And beautiful botanicals. Paper is just gorgeous. And dragonflies again. Heavens, look at oh, that's really pretty too. That's in the inside. Look at the pretty tag, and it's got a little pocket in here. Let's see. It's got a little pocket, little place to store something. It's a pocket tag. Gorgeous. And this has got all lady smock, wild yarrow. It must be the types of flowers that are on it. And more of those mason jars, again with a little pocket and the seam binding in my favourite colour. Beautiful, although I even like this seam binding. That's really pretty. Look at those two together, gorgeous. And then, what is this? An image. Oh yes, it's an image of a flower. That's another beautiful botanical image. And that's really pretty too. Gorgeous. Oh, irises, that's beautiful. And then this is really pretty, the beautiful colours in that one. And they're not cards. I thought they were cards, but they're not. Are they? No, they don't open up. They're just super thick. Wow. And now there's still one more thing in this box, which is a whole heap of little leaves all cut. And I know because Beth does watercolour that she has watercoloured these and probably done the ink lines on them as well. They are gorgeous. Heavens, you'll be seeing all of this being used in my journals very soon, let me tell you. It's really sparking my creativity today. I was feeling a bit down this morning too. I was thinking, oh, do I really want to, you know, what am I going to do today? But look at that. Here I am with a lovely surprise. Now that is the first box only. So I'll pop all this back in and then I will be opening the second thing. It's just all beautiful. I don't know, I like everything. I don't want to single anything out, but it's just gorgeous. I'm sure when I look through it again at my leisure, I will find more things, you know, more different things that I haven't sort of looked at in terms of the style and the papers. Now this is the other small little thing she sent me. So we'll give this one open and see what surprise is in here. If if I can open it. Hang on. It's fairly well stuck down. Try this again under here. Oh, there we go. Got it open now. And it's super heavy, so I hate to think what is in here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness golly me. Oh my goodness, what is it? I've never seen anything like this. Oh, I know what it is. It's actually file folders. She knows that I use a lot of file folders, and they are decorated. How cool are they? And look at these numbers. Where did you find such a thing? I have never seen anything like this. Look at the numbers on them. They're beautiful. And so many of them. Oh my heavens. Oh, so I've got all of those with these gorgeous numbers on them. And then the next one is, oh, look at the cactuses. Oh, there's some more of those too. Oh my goodness, I didn't know such things existed, honestly. The beautiful images on them. Oh, I really need to sit down and have a look, you know, at them further. They've got like a little sticker. It's not even, no, it's actually on the paper there. And oh, my favourite colour, this purple. It's just my favourite colour. And gorgeous inside. And what's on the back? Beautiful. So vintagey. Sunflowers. They're amazing. I just don't know how you source something like this. Really, they're just gorgeous. Oh, look at this one. That is amazing. Beautiful. Love it. And there's another design, and this one's got a bicycle on it and beautiful colours. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at them. They're just lovely. More. This is really pretty too. I love this blue and pink. Oh, seriously, Beth, this is just overwhelming me. I'm feeling a bit, you know, it's a bit emotional, really. You knew that I was obviously that I was feeling a bit down this morning, and now look at this. Oh, this is beautiful. The poppies are gorgeous. I'm going to have to do something with these. I'll have to do a journal or something. Oh, so there's 3 of those, and then this one, which is just gorgeous. I'm loving the greens in that. And oh, this is, oh, look at the inside. Beautiful. Simply beautiful. And then this has got a centre cut tab. Oh, there it is there. And look at that. That's beautiful. Look how gorgeous these go together. They're obviously a set, because you've got the gorgeous colour, that peachy colour in there, and then the green, which just goes beautifully together. And oh, here's another one. This is obviously a set. Oh, that's lovely too. I like that colour. And that's on the back. And then there's one which is, this is almost a lilac. It's sort of a very pale blue. No, I'd call that a lilac in the green. Oh wow, that's beautiful. That's wonderful. And then there's this one. What's on the inside of this one? Oh, that's pretty too. That's gorgeous. And then this one, oh wow, that's lovely. That's in that beautiful turquoisey, tealy green and pink, or purpley pink actually. More like a, yeah, more like a lilac-y pink, I would say, in the centre. So how is that? Am I the luckiest girl in the world? Look at this. I'm just overwhelmed, really. Thank you so much, Beth. I'm so thrilled, and you really didn't have to do it. You know I don't expect anything. I'm not the type of person who expects, you know, I'm a giver rather than somebody who expects anything. And that is beautiful. So thank you very much once again, and I hope, ladies, that you enjoyed that look through my happy mail, and I am certainly happy. Thanks again, Beth, and I shall be back in another video tomorrow. This is Deborah. Cheers.